Do you need a quick side dish? Are you going to a party and you have to bring a side, or you just need a side to one of your main proteins? This could not be easier, and it is a bit of a crowd pleaser because it tastes elevated. It couldn't be easier. So it's a bit of a hack, because these fondue packs you can get at your grocery store. They are around $10, and they include all the ingredients that you need to combine with your casserole. In this case, I'm making the cauliflower casserole, although I think this would be very nice with broccoli as well. This is it. It suggests that you can put garlic, which I am. I am going to put a little bit of Dijon. Flavor will intensify and the depth will intensify by adding a little bit of the Dijon. And it already has wine in it, but I'm going to add a little bit more wine. So depending on how thick or thin you want your sauce with your cauliflower, I also have Gruyere. You can keep it as basic and just add this because it has all of the ingredients in it, or not. You can add a few other things. It also says that you can add pepper, nutmeg. Couldn't be easier. Dump this, open this up, put it in the saucepan. If you've ever had cheese fondue, this is the easiest way to do it, is buy one of these kits created in Switzerland. I'm going to put the cauliflower into roast for a little bit and par cook it. And I'm going to warm it up at the party that I'm going to. Into the oven, 350 for about 20 minutes. Cheese sauce still here, sitting here, warmed, ready to go. After the 20 minutes, I will take it out, toss it around with the cheese sauce, put Gruyere cheese, maybe some parsley, Italian parsley, and maybe some breadcrumbs on the top. And then I will leave that in a foiled container and take it to my party, or if I'm serving it, I will just leave it like that, partially cooked and just needing a broil and a warm up. 20 minutes. That's warm, but it has cooled down since, so it looks a little bit lumpy right now. But, okay, now I'm gonna toss this around. And the cauliflower doesn't have to be drenching the cauliflower. You want the essence of that beautiful wine, garlic, fondue cheese. Fondue cheese is usually raclette or Gruyere. That is beautiful. There's some liquid at the bottom, which is great. I mean, the cheese will thin out. That's why I reserved just a little bit to put right on the top. Just put the last bit of cheese just on the top. Ouch, I forgot. It was out of the oven. You must. Let's keep this our little secret, okay? This cheese would probably be good in so many types of casserole. And instead of starting from scratch and doing a roux and thickening or reducing cream, this is the way to go, I tell you, everybody. So that was about a half a cup of Gruyere. This is Romano. This gives a nice salt and flavor, and Italian parsley. The only other thing I was thinking on here would be a nice breadcrumb. If you had some old stale bread and minced it up, would be lovely too. So there you go. There is the casserole dish with the cheddar fondue cheese from your grocery store. Could that be easier? I don't think so. It's a hack for sure. Let's keep it between us. It looks like I spent all day making a fine French sauce, and I didn't. Okay, so here it is steaming. It was a beautiful, turned out to be a really, really lovely casserole. I can taste the flavors of the wine, the raclette cheese, the Gruyere cheese, really delicious. This would even be a great leftover as well, with just some
pasta of some kind tossed in with the leftovers, which I might have to do that. Honestly, a piece of bread and this, you are good. That is a really nice, super easy casserole. You really should make it. Impress. See you on the next one.